Hello. Day 3 Grammar. Yesterday we learned subject verb agreement. Rule number 1, 2, and 3. Rule number 1, 2, 3 says that if the subject is a singular, we have to use singular verb, and if the subject is plural, we must use plural verbs. For example, Mohan was always late. The Mohan was always late means singular noun and singular verb. This is the correct sentence. But we don't use Mohan were always late because singular noun we don't use plural verbs in there. And use I with I am a teacher, I have a pencil, singular noun with singular verb I am. But singular noun with plural verb is also correct with I have. So the exceptional of I, we use sometimes we use a singular verb and sometimes we use plural verbs. I was a student, singular subject with singular verb. I write a letter, singular subject with plural verbs. So both are correct. Rule number 3 is you. When you is in singular subject, or we use always a plural verb, and when you is plural, we use a plural verb, that too. So you are a student, singular subject, plural verb. You are engineers, plural subject, plural verb. Both are the correct sentence. Right now we learn rule number 4. Rule number 4 is about needn't and daren't. Rule number 4 has another rule, like another 4 rules in it. For rule number 4, needn't and daren't, we use needn't and daren't in plural subject at the plural forms. When we use needn't in the singular subject, with the singular subject, we also use the needn't. We don't use needsn't because it's not the word needsn't. We use daren't and needn't. Needsn't and daren't, it's not correct form. So what is it? She needn't go there, it's correct. She needn't go there, it's incorrect. He daren't oppose his father, it's correct. He daren't oppose his father is incorrect. If you use as or es with the singular subject, you also use the word is she doesn't dare to go. She doesn't need there. She doesn't dare. She doesn't need. He doesn't dare. He doesn't need. We use doesn't after the singular subject, but we don't use the negative sentence after the s to use dare and need. The second one, it's called marginally above the example. Need, dare, and needn't, daren't and needn't is called a marginary auxiliary verb. We used in there. I don't know the marginary auxiliary verb. I also have to learn this too. And after that, if the sentence is positive, we use dare after s. If the subject is singular, he dares to face the difficulty. Dares is correct. Singular subject, singular verb. He dared to face the difficulty is wrong. He needs a book. She needs a book. Singular subject, singular verb. They need books. Plural subject, plural verb, needs, it's correct. She need a book, it's incorrect. They needs books, it's incorrect. The above example is when it is a singular subject, when it is a positive sentence, dare, we use s after the dare and need. But if it is a negative sentence, we use daren't or does not dare after the singular verb. Next is dare, if, dare and need. Okay, infinite with to. We don't use infinite with to in negative sentence. He daren't to come here. It's wrong. He daren't come here. So we don't use to. Infinite with to. So daren't to come here. It's wrong. Daren't come here is right. You needn't go there. You needn't to go there. It's correct. It's incorrect. You needn't go there is correct. So we don't use to after the negative sentence. Dare, we use dare and need. The third one is that if they dare and if the dare and need, the meaning means to have courage, to need in a main verb. So we use to. So this is the sentence of the positive sentence, and we used to in positive sentence after dare and need. He dares to oppose his teacher. He dares to oppose his teacher is correct. He dares oppose his teacher is not correct, because this is a positive sentence and I don't know the main verb. So yes, I just learned if the sentence is positive, we use dares and to, needs and to. If the sentence is negative, we use daren't or does not without to. So he dares to oppose his father is correct. He dares oppose his father is incorrect. She needs to come here is correct. She needs come here is incorrect. So that's it. Today I learned needn't, daren't, dares, need.